pictures that will get taken.
Yeah, only Cyrus will be the pictures with him.
Okay, but I just genuinely want to thank...
There's no way of them to come out.
They'll come, no way. The main part, I just like to mention a few bits. We've been producing films for the last few years, trying to make most of them stick. Some of them haven't worked, unfortunately. Some have done well, Farah, especially Mehuna, and has made a company go a little bigger. But I'd like to...
and I was worried about Cyrus.
No, I just like to mention the most consistent partners we've had who really helped us in bad times. Also, I remember Chalte Chalte, our music wasn't being sold, and there was this company which was good enough, headed by, of course, Bhushan Kumar and Kishan. And all the wonderful people who are associated with this company, they came about, they helped us with the money, made the film possible. And I really thank the whole team, which also includes all our singers who work in tandem with T-Series. Sonu's here, Abhijit is here, and all the other friends.
We call you as soon as we figure out how to.
But at this point of time, I'd just like to thank T-Series and would like to call one of their representatives and heads, everyone knows him. Bhushan, please come on stage, and he would also call some of his partners. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, T-Series. And Bhushan, would like to call any of
T-Series के लिए music नहीं play किया क्या है?
There's Kishan here, Kishan who's my older friend than Bhushan. Kishan, please come on stage. Associated partners, of course, we have our distributors who also been very helpful always, and now music is going digital, and the dawns of digital media. We have from Hungama, which is an amazing company which is doing some great stuff for music and otherwise digital content. We have Mr. Neeraj Roy here, so please give a big hand. Come on, Neeraj. And this team doesn't get complete, for a producer at least, so I'm speaking only as a producer, team doesn't get complete if we don't have all the guys helping us make this film happen. And of course, apart from the money part, there's a lot of support for distributing the film, which is now the mainstay of filmmaking, the marketing. So we have with us our marketing guys, our distributors, Eros International. Sunil Lula is here.
Can I request the singers to come up on
Yes,
stage? Sonu, Abhijit, Shreya, Shan.
Abhijit is here.
Yes,
Sonu.
Is Shan still here? Anybody?
We heard your music and left with you. Will you open this? थोड़ा म्यूजिक प्ले करेगा तो अच्छा है.
Stay where you are. This is the biggest digital release for any Indian movie. Biggest digital release, Om Shanti Om. Simultaneously released across 32 countries on mobile and internet, not including Bangladesh, Nepal, that's 34. Launch of the T-Series online music store for shopping of their vast catalog online by Hungama Mobile as well. So that's 3 world records. Om Shanti Om, thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.